staying at the South Tower. This is our room. A nice tub. Separate bathroom. King size bed. Got a mini fridge. My beautiful husband.
Hi. What's up? I mean, yeah.
It's a pretty good view.
Not that bad of a view.
And then you can see the pool over here.
People chilling. Kind of like the mountain view.
I do too.
It's cool.
It's nice.
Shit's gonna look great, I think.
Yeah, for sure. Time to get ready for the pool.
Let's do this.